I have been delivered some items on a live. We are doing an unboxing. Hello, I am Gladys, and over here we make simple, informative tutorials to help you navigate baking and decorating easily. What does it look like when you order cake decorating items and they are delivered to you on a live whilst you're in class? You know what? I can't even tell you exactly what I have. Is this what unboxings look like? Well, it was a great opportunity to show you exactly what I ordered and what that looks like. So let's jump straight into our live session where I unbox live a delivery that was brought to me and the fun we had unboxing all the cake decorating items I picked up on my latest purchase. So let me get a knife. I do not know. I know I bought something. I do not know what's in it. So let's find out together. I bought them from Cake Craft Company. Okay. And by the way, if you're watching this tutorial, here is your disclaimer. It's not sponsored, okay? I paid money for this stuff here. I will show you the receipt, but it's got my address on it, so I'm not doing it, okay? But I paid money. I didn't even get a discount, not a discount code, all right? Did I tell you November is going to be a very busy month? You can't think of what could be in there that is so big. Well, for me, I love these. You know why? Because as I'm packing my home, this paper will come easy for wrapping my fragile stuff. Okay? So, yeah, there you go. First of all, let's have a look at what's in here. Okay. I have cake drums. These are 9-inch cake drums. This I'm going to be using for, say, as a display board for my small cake. So say my 6-inch cakes end up on a 9-inch because I want a 3-inch space between the cake and the board. So these are 9-inch cake drums. And then we have, I think we have matching. Oh, these are 10-inch. These are 10-inch boxes. Okay, we'll see. You know what? This is what has made it so long. This box, okay, this box right here, it's a 22-inch. Look at how long it is. It's a 22-inch. You know when the cake is stacked and you want to box it, sometimes it can be difficult to box it. So if you get a sturdy box that does the job, which is what this is for. Yeah, there you go. So I will have to build it up though. I'll have to build it up. Then I have a 14-inch MDF board. This is going to be stacking a 3-tier gravity defying cake. I'll be making parts of those videos on this channel, so you'll see, right? So that's a 14-inch. I made my way to the other side, people. I made my way to the other side. I normally like, I prefer, what do you call it? Fondant covered boards. But I'm sick of running to the shop last minute for fondant. Okay, I'm sick of it. So I made the switch. These are the matte white slim cake boards. Okay, there you are. They are for cake display purposes. And then for the gravity defying cake, I got myself some sturdy poly dowels. Okay, these are sturdy ones. Look, I buy some sturdy ones on Amazon, but these are going to be helpful for the 3-tier cake. So these are some dowels. Ha! My favorite thing. Now this. This, do you know what this is? This is white coloring. This is what I need for my ganache. And the cake I'm going to be making is a white cake. So I need this. I'm excited. There you go. You know the problem I am having mentally as I'm talking to you, I'm thinking, if these things don't end up the way I think they would be, I would be mad. Anyway, these are 8-inch cake MDF. Okay, I'm a little bit confused over here. Look. There is the slim white. And the rest is cake boxes. We have more cake boxes, my dear. Look. I don't know. There's nothing exciting about cake purchases, and this is only half of what I need. We haven't even done the butter shopping and the shopping for the rest of the things we need. We haven't done that yet. And yet we are still here. Anyway, I will be bringing you along all of that anyway, so don't you worry. That said, we've spoken about cake cards and cake drums over here. That video is already up on the channel. I don't know if I'm fond of these ones. They are too slim. Imagine if you put a 12-inch cake on this, a 10-inch cake on this. I find anyway. That might be a good reason to come back and tell you whether these are worth it or not. But